Hi everybody, welcome to a special edition of Make It Happen where I requested an awesome something and David over here created it. And it is a drone. Look at this thing.
It's pretty cool, right?
Look at that. So we're gonna ask David a few questions about this drone since he 3D printed it and put it all together.
Shoot.
So tell us first, where did you find the parts? The printed parts and also the propellers.
Alrighty, so I was looking through a certain website that lets you download solid models for your 3D printer, and I found these parts for this particular quadcopter. Then I was happy actually, right? Hey, I'm gonna 3D print my own drone, and then I printed it, and then I said, oh crap, where do I get the actual electrical parts, right? So the same person ended up being a company that put these things on that website, and I went to their own website and they sell a kit for the motors, the ESCs, all the electronics, and the propellers. And I bought it from them and I put it together and she flies pretty great.
All right, so how long did it take to print the parts?
The parts individually took maybe 6 hours each. And it looks like there's 4 layers and various smaller parts. So it was pretty much a 2-day end-to-end endeavor, yeah.
So tell us with this quadcopter, what makes it actually fly? Like what are the physics behind it?
There's a microcontroller you can see on the clean deck. So this is a clean and dirty deck design. The dirty deck is the bottom deck that has all the electronics, and the clean deck is what mounts your camera. They are isolated by rubber isolation mount so that you don't get any wobbleness when you're actually recording. But anyway, what makes it fly is that the microcontroller board, which is a Naze 32, has an accelerometer on board and lets it figure out what orientation it is while it's moving, right? So if it feels an acceleration in one particular direction, it will try to make these propellers spin faster so that it can correct it. Pretty cool, right?
Wow. And so tell us, how does it work with the controller itself? So where is the antenna or the receiver?
Yeah, so the first time I got it, I didn't know how this was gonna work until I started looking for the actual part. So if we can flip it this way, this guy is the transmitter. That's the receiver end. And the antenna is actually these 2 wires that you have to make at a 90-degree angle. Otherwise, it won't be at optimum, right? But anyway, this connects to the same microcontroller board that we talked about earlier. It receives the signals from your controller and basically lets you fly the thing.
Wow. All right. Well, the last question is how many times have you flown it?
Twice, and I broke the propellers on the first time.
Oh, good
I know.
Lord.
So buy 20 propellers because those things actually do break all the time.
Well, look guys, I know everybody out there is into drones and 3D printing, so why not combine the two, which we did. If you guys have any questions, you can email me at mitchel@eezitec.com and david@eezitec.com, and we'll have a blog up and videos and content on the whole process. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.